Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt.
Yo, what is up, guys? It is Game Changer coming to you live with another update. Today, I thought I'd bring you guys some value for other streamers, YouTube creators, Instagrammers, anybody that has the social media content or creation sort of field. I wanted to talk about Linktree with you today. That's linktr.ee. That's the website to go to, and that's what we'll be going over how to set up. But basically, this is a great way for your audiences to be able to reach out to you. It's a huge mouthful to talk about all the different handles that you could possibly have across different, websites and different social media platforms. So this is one way to make omni-channel, engagement a lot easier for your crowd to get a hold of you. So basically, once you go to this website, you'll see the startup panel that we're looking at right now. Most people already have an Instagram. If you don't have one yet, I recommend getting one. A lot of sponsors will look into your channel once you reach about a 10,000 person following, whether it's on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. About 10,000 seems to be the sweet number when other sponsors start to look at you and take what you take serious for them as well. So anyways, if we continue on to sign up with Instagram, it will go ahead and pull your already pre-logged in Instagram account information through. So you'll see that your profile picture in the bottom corner here shows up. So mine happens to be Instagram at GameChanger559. It gives you a nice little mobile platform to show you what your link is going to look like when it's all said and done. Up here in the bio, you'll have a copy link button where you can take your link, put it in the bio of your Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, About Me sections on pretty much any of the social media platforms you use. So that's a great way to just copy and paste it in. You got this add new link button, so you can pretty much infinitely add different web pages to this mobile app look right here that you want your viewers to follow you on. Once you do that, they're going to show up pretty much blank. You can click the little pencil right here, and it'll allow you to customize what it says. And then you'll click the pencil below for the hyperlink, and you can just type in the link of whichever website you want your friends, family, and followers to go ahead and follow you on. If you upgrade to the pro status, you can even add thumbnails and timers and get stats and stuff like that once you're on Linktree Pro. I'm just using the basic version right now, testing out how it does. You can even move around the priority of what you want people to see by clicking the three dots and dragging it, and you can see that it's changing over here on the mobile platform as well. And then, so basically what I'm encouraging people to utilize is to set up a channel on Twitch if you like to stream art, music, video games, reading, drawing, painting, even a chatting section or cooking channel. You could do crocheting if you really wanted to, and have a community that watches you while you do it and talks to you live in the chat room. It's a great way to have friends and family members connect from far distances and to meet new people. It also helps in a monetary sense. You can set it up for donations and subscriptions and revolving income if you choose to treat it more like a business. So you can go about it as casual or professional as you want to, but as I was saying, you could set up your Twitch, Instagram, YouTube. You can have a sub button so that the people can subscribe directly to your Twitch channel or YouTube channel by clicking that button. You can add Twitter, Discord, which is kind of like a texting app for people to communicate large numbers, large groups of people. Facebook, and we are affiliated with United Gaming and Quest Mode. You can use this questmode.io/fan/GC_focus. That'll allow you to play free mobile games and apps on your phone that will work towards earning you free subscriptions to other streamers. So in about 15-20 minutes, we earned about $45 worth of donations off of this app and a free sub to another channel depending on what games you play and how you utilize it. So definitely check it out. The links for all of my channels as examples as well as Quest Mode will be in the commentary below. So be sure to check that out, and I encourage you guys that if you like the video and you want to see more quick tutorials like this, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and we'll bring some more videos to you coming soon. Please also, if you have any questions, shoot me a message and I'll invite you into the Discord and we can go over setting up any of this stuff one-on-one to help get you and your channel going in the right direction. Alright guys, as always, don't forget I am live streaming on twitch.tv/GC_focus Saturday through Tuesdays at 10:30 p.m. Pacific time. Alright, I'll catch you guys later, and don't forget, game changer.